Welcome traders. In this video I'll be showing you my dashboard of MyFundedFX. You can see right here. Let me refresh it. Loading right here. You can see this is my dashboard of my phase 1 10k account, which is 8% right here. That was the net profit. The profit target 8%. I hit that profit target. You can see current equity 8%. The previous day balance before hitting that target was almost 5% right here. Daily loss, mass loss limit, and all time remaining and those kind of stuff. So you can see right here. You can see I've started by going to a little bit drawdown. I'll be showing that on trade history and bringing my account back to 5% in profit and those kind of stuff, raising it back. At this point, I just need only 0.80% to pass my challenge, but I brought it back to break even a little bit in losses before raising it back to my profit target right here. This era, that was when my forex fund was facing those challenges, so I was a little bit skeptical about all prop firm industries, thinking that's going to be the end of prop firm and those kind of stuff. So I was just taking a random trades and those kind of stuff, but I realized that no, that's not going to happen. So I just have to follow up. That was when I get serious about trading again, raising it back to profit, which was the 8% target. Let me show you this right here, the trade overview. This was the last trade, trade history. Let me move to the seat, and this was the 5% that I was talking about. You can see this lot size over here. I didn't even know that I was using this lot size. I didn't check. That was one mistake that I did and lost this amount of money over here. I just closed that trade. I didn't allow it to hit my stop loss, so I just cut it over there because I know I've done mistake. On the next trade, I hit 5%. This was a 5% over here, 5.20%. That was what I hit, and everything started over there. Most of the this trade didn't trigger, but they've counted them as number of trades. I'll be showing that one too. You can see, let's move to the sit one. You can see this is a trade. This was the comeback, hitting 3% over here. Lost this, hitting 3% again, 3% again, which is 9% over there. You can see, and losing just few trades. That was what happened, and I passed the challenge. You can see right here, this is my statistics. You can see best trade. That was the 5% worst trade. That was the trade that I cut because I was using a bigger loss size. Number of trades, some of the trade did not trigger, but they were all counted to be number of trade and those kind of stuff. And some of the trade I've stopped trading for like 2 or getting to 3 months. I didn't trade, but I just come to activate my account. I just place some of the small loss size, 0.01 loss size on most trade to activate the account back. I don't want them to close my account and those kind of stuffs. How else I was doing my other stuffs. You can see total loss size use, win rate. I didn't pay attention to this because of most of 0.01 loss size that I've taken. I just entered a trade, whether it is in loss or not. I just close it because I just wanted to activate my account 0.01. You can see the losses are not going to be even $1, but they've counted them to this over here. The one that I focused on most was average RRR, risk to reward. That was what I've been focusing on, because if I'm going to be profitable, it has to be here. How I manage my risk, risking one to make how many. In here I'm making 2 of what I'm risking, 2.4 of what I'm risking. So I like that one. You can see the average win, which is 153. The average loss was 69, almost half of 1%. You can see profit factor over here. I don't pay attention to these two, but they are all being calculated based on number of trades, the number of 0.01 loss size that I use, and they resulted in losses. Those ones are being counted on these and those kind of stuffs. So I don't pay much attention to this. You can see this is the instruments, GBP USD, Euro card, GBP card, Euro USD. I didn't trade this much. Most of the time I just enter 0.01 loss size just to activate them and those kind of stuffs. And these Most times when I wanted to activate my account, I just enter any pair 0.01 on them and those kind of stuffs. That was what I've been doing over there. You can see my short and long analysis right here. Buying gave me more losses and this win, and selling gave me these small losses and bigger win. You can see it right there. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you get motivated with this. It is doable. Everybody can do it. You can see the pass right here. It is doable. Everybody can do it. I would like you guys to help me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Ask me any question that you wanted to ask. I'm ready to answer each and every one of you. And it is doable. Everybody can do it. Let me show you the certificate that I had. You can see the certificate loading right here. You can see the certificate. This is a certificate right here. So thank you guys once again. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.